Today I am going to teach you the simplest way for enter network credential error in two methods. First method, go to the server and type Windows plus R together, and in the run type cmd and click OK. And in the command prompt type echo %username and hit enter. Here the username Imphal Hospital is displayed. Use this username and log in to the client computer with this username. Type username Imphal Hospital and in the password type the password of the server, then click on remember my credential and click OK. Here the share printer and share document is visible here. When you click on to the share document and you got this error, then I will teach you the technique to solve this error. To solve those error, right click on the folder which you have shared, then click on properties, then click on security, then click on edit, then click on add, then click on advanced, then click on find, then find everyone and double click everyone, then click on OK. Then select here this full control and modify, then click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now click on the share document and the problem will be solved. So in this way we solve the network enter credential error. This is the first method. The second method, go to window, then type control panel, then click on view network status and tasks, then click on change advanced sharing setting, then click on all networks, then remove this password protected sharing off. This is the second technique. In this way we solve the error for enter network credential error. Thank you.